Hey, hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. So today I am going to show you how to take appointment for city registration in Germany. Let's go, and I am going to show you actually the system of uh, the taking appointment of a for city registration. So I am going to show you how to take the city registration appointment, and I am informing you that in Germany a number of cities waiting period is so long. It's almost 1 month, mm, more than 20 days, 15 days, yeah. And also some of cities I'm informing you that there are no waiting period. So before after getting your visa, before coming Germany, must try to check out your city. Okay, let's go. Today I'm going to show you actually how to get the city registration appointment. And yeah, I am going to show you actually where I am staying right now. This city's city registration appointment process, and I am also give you the link of the city registration of Ingolstadt. I am staying in Ingolstadt. So first of all, go a browser, then try to write down your city's for example, see actually this is the link of the Ingolstadt city registration appointment, or the Ingolstadt uh, what is city center actually link. So you can write down here Ingolstadt, not Ingolstadt. You can write your city's name only. All the link is similar, just change here. I think it will be work. If you see that actually it will not be work, then try to search on Chrome browser or any other browser by write down your city's name, where you want to go or where you will go or where you are staying right now. So yeah, I am going to this link. Okay, so it could be it would be German. I mean actually German language. If you know German language, it's okay. If you will see that it's in German, then you can translate it. You can go, if you are, I am showing you by my mobile phone, so this is why you can also do it by your computer, laptop, etc. So go the three dot, above three dot, and translate it. If you translate it, then you will see that actually it will translate in German. Wait a moment. Yeah, you will see actually it's network issue, so this is why it's not showing. So first of all, go the third, change of address. I am showing if you are staying in outside of Germany, I mean actually international student, and you are going to, I mean actually you will come without your family, I mean actually you are single, like such type of person, you are going to do this. Okay, change, I mean actually go to the number 3 option, change of address, and then you can see actually there are a number of options. So according to you which one will be suitable, try to do this. I am showing you immigration from abroad without family. So click the plus icon, and when you see that one, actually see that when I click the plus icon and it show that one. So yeah, then go the next and click the OK button, and see actually they are showing what they are showing. If you are see that next appointment 8/9, it's mean that next month September's 8. Can you see it's almost 25 days. I already told you that especially some of cities waiting period is so long. So this is why before coming Germany, try to know your city's city registration system, and then try to analyze this. If you see that actually there is no waiting period, so no need to take appointment earlier. Otherwise, if you coming to such type of cities where waiting period is so long, you have to take appointment before coming here. I mean actually when you will confirm air ticket. After that you will do this, and yeah, then go the next. See, actually there are a number of dates available, so yeah, so according to your suitable, I mean, actually you can choose any suitable date from here, any date you can. For example, I am taking, and I am also time. Okay, so if you click yes, then it will be okay, it will be confirmed, and you will also get a link on your given uh, what your and then you will have to give some information. For example, your name, your first name, last name, nationality, and your email address. And after completing such type of information, then you have to when you submit it, then you will get a confirmation. I mean, actually you will get a email from uh, city registration office, and then you have to click there for confirmation. And if you will click the link, then your appointment will be confirm. Yeah, this is all. I am informing you that do not take any appointment if you no need. Okay, so you must have to give some information. If you click the yes, then you will go the information box. This is not my first time, so yeah, this is why it's not showing the information, or because this is I took already 2 times. Yeah, this is third times when I am showing you this system. So yeah, this is all, and this is easy process. Must remember, if you will not take city registration such type of cities where you are going or where you will come, if there is any waiting period, then you will have to suffer or you have to wait. And if you are international student, must remember that you have not enough time. After coming Germany, you have to make sure city registration and a number of activities. I will show you, or I will tell you all type of activities to another videos or in another video. So for this is the all for you. And if you think so that this video help you, then please don't forget to subscribe and like our channels. Thank you very much. See you again.